In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the distinct features and strengths of two popular trading platforms, Robinhood Legend and TradingView. Both platforms are excellent for different types of traders, and understanding what each has to offer might help you choose the best one for your needs. Let's dive into Robinhood Legend first. This platform is uniquely tailored for US traders who are heavily invested in stocks, options, and futures trading. One of its standout features is the powerful, all-in-one nature of its trading environment. With Robinhood Legend, you get access to advanced charting capabilities, multiple layouts for a personalized trading experience, and real-time data. These features collectively make it an ideal choice for active options traders who enjoy executing trades directly from the platform. The built-in order execution feature simplifies the process, ensuring that you're able to act quickly and efficiently. However, it's important to note that Robinhood Legend does have its limitations. Spot forex trading is not supported on this platform. This could be a significant drawback if your trading interests lean towards global currency markets, as this effectively narrows down the platform's usability to mainly the US market. On the flip side, TradingView offers a wider range of market support and is particularly renowned for its robust technical analysis features. This platform is a well-suited option for those who are interested in not just stocks and options, but also forex and cryptocurrencies. TradingView is a cloud-based platform, which means you can access it from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Its high customizability is another big draw, allowing you to tweak and optimize your charts to your heart's content, ensuring that they fit your specific trading style and needs. One noteworthy feature is its ability to connect to supported brokers for executing trades, which adds to its versatility for global market access. For traders who want deep charting tools and the ability to operate across multiple markets, TradingView can be a formidable ally. In summary, if your primary focus is on forex trading or you have aspirations for accessing global markets with intricate charting tools, TradingView is likely the better fit. On the other hand, if you're predominantly trading US options and seek an integrated trading experience with order execution directly within the platform, Robinhood Legend shines as a compelling choice. Both platforms have their own strengths, so ultimately it depends on what aligns best with your trading strategy and portfolio goals. Hopefully, this breakdown has provided you with a clearer understanding of what Robinhood Legend and TradingView have to offer, enabling you to make a more informed decision.